Hi, I'm Jackie from Chirp magazine, and this is Asher. Today, Asher and I are making a magic potion. For this experiment, you'll need a large tray, glass jar, baking soda, dish soap, food coloring, large pieces of glitter, and vinegar. So the first thing we do is we want to fill our glass jar with baking soda, about a third of the way full. And then we're going to add some food coloring. Do you want to do that part?
Yeah.
And I'll add a couple drops of this one. Good job. Now we're going to add some glitter. Large pieces work better. And then let's add some dish soap. You want to do that? A few drops. That looks good. And then we're going to add vinegar. And we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Woo! That's cool. Should we stir it and see if it goes in more? It worked.
Yeah.
Do you want to try adding more vinegar? See if it does anything else? So do you know why this happens, Asher?
No.
So it makes a chemical reaction. The baking soda and the vinegar cause a chemical reaction, and the molecules change and they kind of explode and make everything flow over.
Oh,
Want to add a bit more?
again.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, maybe that's enough.
Bye-bye.